People have so many crazy ideas. I had to try this. Oh, listen. That's flavor. Is this recipe guaranteed to give you that head of hair you've always dreamed of? That's one hairy
Leo cooks things, I cook things.
Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a crispy spicy ramen wrap. Crispy spicy ramen wrap. That's a mouthful. Crispy and spicy ramen wrap. I can't hit those notes. Crispy and spicy ramen wrap. You're very unstable, like someone else I know. This table even... Now we're good. Let's get to it. Let's make some ramen wraps. These are going to be super spicy, so we're going to make a sauce to help with the spiciness levels. What sauce, you ask? Ranch. First up, we're going to need a ranch hand. How you feeling, partner? You're the best ranch hand anyone could ask for. You're a big help, mister. You a parsley kind of guy? Or are you parsley unimpressed? Where are you going, ranch hand? Impossible to find good help these days, I guess. Ooh, kink unlocked. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Whenever someone asks me to chop parsley, I always answer the same thing. Leave it to me. Maybe focus. All right. Finish him. What do you call a herb that likes to play World of Warcraft? Leroy Jenkins. Leroy Jenkins. That joke is as dated as me. How do you kill that which has no life? Chop up your parsley. So that's about a 1/4 cup of parsley. I'm kind of a big dill here. We're gonna use about a tablespoon of dill. You know what else they call dill farming? Good dill hunting. Chop up your dill. 1 tablespoon of dill goes in. Never pass up a good dill. Whoop. Up next, chives. Ooh, yeah, you dirty. Stop it. Don't be a chive turkey. 1975 called. It wants its joke back. Chippity chop those chippity chives. 1 tablespoon of chives. What do you call a bunch of onions that think the same way? A chive mind. Get yourself some sour cream. Do maybe like 1/2 cup of sour cream. 2 big spoons of mayo as well will be going in. Cough. 2 cloves of garlic. Remove the garlic skin the same way you would remove the skin off of an onion. You don't have to mince your garlic by hand if you're pressed for time. No, that's the good stuff. We're also gonna do like, I don't know, a tablespoon of lemon juice. Oh no, my wire has been showing. Whoopsies, whoopsies, whoopsies. Mortal Kombat. We're gonna do a pinch of salt also, and a little bit of Dr. No. Mix it all up. I like to add my buttermilk at the end because some people don't like it super runny. Basically just a little bit of buttermilk at a time. Whoop. So I'm gonna start with 2 tablespoons of buttermilk. Whoop. That's enough buttermilk. Taste for seasoning. Woohoo! That's good ranch. Ha! Buldak. It's very hot ramen, so buckle up. Let's cook some ramen. Yeah. I'm gonna do 2 packs. 2 packs, Shakur. So this is basically like seaweed and sesame seeds. Save that for later. See? See, it's fun. We're having fun. Look, look, look at it. Look at it. Focus. No garnishing today. Cook your nudes. Cooking ramen for my friends. Ramen. Drain that ramen. Woo! Now add that saucy bossy. Ooh, what do you taste like? Woo! Spicy. Ramen. If there's one thing I love, it's ramen. Wait, I'm also gonna fry up a little bit of pork belly. Let me know in the comments if you want me to show you how to make this. It's easy. What do you get when you cross a pork belly with a Grammy-nominated recording artist? Bacon. Bacon, all on the floor, bacon. I want some more bacon. Okay, that's enough. Woo! I'm using pork belly here, but feel free to use bacon or nothing. It's up to you. Now for the fun part. Rice paper. Cheddar, I hardly know her. Lay down a little thing of cheddar. You're gonna lay down a little thing of pork belly. A little bit of that spicy ramen. Ram it right in there. Oh boy. If you overstuff them, you can always just use another one of these and then just like fix it. It's not a big deal. It's totally fine. Over a medium heat, we're gonna fry these up. I'm gonna do seam side down because it seems like that's a good idea. Just giving them a nice little crispage. Little crispies. Oh, listen. That's flavor. Let's plate these bad boys. A little bit of that ranch sauce. Crispy, spicy ramen wraps. Exciting. Let's eat. Oh my God. With the pork belly, forget about it. Woo! Spicy. Woo! It's so good. Don't forget the ranch. Oh my God. That's insane. That's a fun trend. That's so good. Pork belly. Just the ranch alone is worth this. Bye, friends. One more to say hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. No. Love you.